Not much break in the rain, so I thought I'd go for a bit of a walk. Shut up! Sunday morning. As you can see. Had some more rain. Not sure how much yet, haven't checked it. Not as heavy and as downpour as we had the other night. But there's still water around the place. I'm just going to check the water gauge. So there's water everywhere again. We'll have a look, see what we've had since I got home last night. And we've had, what did I say, another 12 mil. As if we need it. Enough water around now, really. But I'm loving it. Anyway. Water, water, water everywhere. Again. Water everywhere. Yep. Shoes are starting to leak. There's water sitting here. This close to the house. Look. Starting to go into the house again. Water everywhere. And tanks are flowing again. Water here, water there. Water here, water there. Water there, water there. Start the race car up again today too. Keep the batteries going, so I'll have to take them for a drive. Anyway, I've got a windscreen in the Jackaroo now, so I'll go for a drive in the 4x4 later on. Key, new windscreen. So I can go drive. Quiet. Haven't put that motor in yet. Want to drive, I might. Yeah, we've got time. No hurry. Bike's there all dirty. I'll take it for a drive again today. I'll stop it now and do another one.